John Deere 4240. Just got her done here. It's got a brand new engine overhaul, new paint, excellent tires. Got a couple finishing touches. We got to put the seat in it and stuff yet, but it's cold out. We got it out of one shop, so we decided to do a video before we had to get her running again. It's been 10 below zero.